Welcome to Know Your Leader, where voices rise, a platform for change where leaders realize the weight of their words, the power they hold, a stage to shape the future, young and old. Here we seek the truth, we ask the questions bold, we probe the depths of policies untold. Join Usiyabonga Pungoze as he explores the leaders who shape our world in store. With every word, a story is told of hope, of struggle, of a nation's hold. Let's know our leaders, let's hear their tale, and may the wisdom our future prevail.
Into engakutshela yona ukuthi kushubile kuyashisa e-studio ubuye uhambe uyophuza amanzi ayikonakele umanzi phansi umbovu ukhulumile ku-3 minutes wakhe siyahamba manje Z ku-3 minutes wakho ezweni ezinye ke za raise umbovu siyakuwena before siye kwi-topic yokugcina engizonishifitela ngakuyona after this Z isikhathi sakho sizoqala athi ngithi angifundishe second umuntu i-second lakhe likusebenzisa indlela ekuyona isikhathi sakho sika 3 minutes siyaqala njengamanje umbovu unezinto zakhe ayibekile awukhale kuzona.
No, I think umuntu oqala umuntu bafanele ayisho ayivume ukuthi ngiyajabula umbovu ukuthi ukhuluma ngesikhathi se-ANC.
Okay.
And asibali ukuthi ngubani wayekhona ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
Because we believe that decision was a conscious decision.
Okay.
Let me just ngumsize kwinto eyodwa umbovu. It just energy transition has got nothing to do. Ayinanto yokwenza nama IPPs per se. The just energy transition talks about ukuthi you reduce the high levels of emission. High levels of emission. And we can't deny ukuthi part of those is coal. Now, masiqedeleke le policy on just energy transition. Ithi umidlula. You then need to develop clean coal technologies. Isho njalo. Ayisho to do away with coal. Clean coal technologies. Mhlambe ngiyisize nalento ukuthi why abantu igaga nje. The problem ekhona mbovu is that on the just energy transition kunalento ebizwa ukuthi ngama footprints. Footprints as the point of origin. And South Africa, that's why it's seen globally. But uma bezothatha le coal yethu ayibalwa as if i-coal abayimayinayo. Hence, then the carbon footprint will come to South Africa. And that is the discussion. Now, the second thing, into nuclear, in fact, argument 80, I'm not an expert. The cleanest energy is nuclear. But to build just one nuclear, it can take us 10 years. You see? At a huge cost. That's why it says it must be done. And this is what I was trying to explain when Guti. It's not a new policy that JZ was no longer the president of the country and the president of the ANC. It's a policy of the ANC that in question the procurement in nuclear, it will better pace and a level that the country can afford. Now, the last thing I think I must be able to clarify also, Guti. Kwa ANC, because I told you, if you are a member of the ANC, which I know you to be, that policy oyaziya kwa ANC isamile na namhlanje. The only thing ANC yenza is a concession. And in numbers are not a definition of the people. Was that the ANC by power, ayiqalanga futhi now, by power it developed arrogance. And people demonstrated that power lies with them, not even with members. So a membership yako can grow. The truth of the matter is that as early from 2009, we saw a dip in the membership, in the votes of the ANC. So in reality, that the ANC can focus on members, on renewal, but in the main, it must focus on the people that it's supposed to be serving.
On the people, like on the people, go back to 3 minutes wako unjani. So
ukhona 8 minutes wakho uphelele 8 seconds wami uphelele ku 8 seconds wami udonate ngawo without agreement udonate ngawo kumbomvu without agreement yabani abaqala ukutshontsha kuthina wangitshontsha nama-minute wami
sila endaweni yasemngeni ebengafisa ukuthi sithi ukuya khona-ke njengamanje as u-ANC and ngijabule ukuthi nayo comrade zethu ukhona la Command Mbovu namhla ngithola nzima angiphambanisi lutho uCommand Mbovu noComrade uZethu bala e-studio nami ngifuna ningithathe ningibeke nenze njani nakumngeni sikumalokhali ke manje la isikuwona u2026 lo khona and udeployiwe wabuya weza la kule ndawo so now ziyakuthinta lezi zinto zombili as umkhonto emngeni nizibona ningenza kanjani ithinto yenu khuluma no in fact kulo 3 minutes engizokunika wona amanje ukuthi khankasa udele kodwa futhi ukhuluma izinto ezama facts kumuntu osibukayo nje kamanje as umkhonto emngeni yini engalindelwa abantu yini enizoyenza yini futhi eseniqalile ukuyenza engabuyisi ithemba kubantu qho
umkhonto uinvestor kubantu bendawo une-trust kubantu bendawo uyabona ke uzosebenzisa abantu bala emngeni ukulida umngeni
okay
yabo engeke ngikusho ngoComrade Z ngoba yabona abalidayo at the level of umngeni yazi uyideploy
okay.
So ababizwanga nokubizwa la hayi ukuthi ababizwanga abalethwanga kwi-interview yabona uComrade Z umani wathi izinto ezincane ama-gestures amancane akhombisa ukuthi there's no confidence kubona kodwa ke futhi ke the very same confidence esibonile abantu beyishaya but I'm not much about ukukhuluma ngokhongolose into engifuna ukuzoyisho ukuthi ke umkhonto uzokwenzana umkhonto uzobuilda i-capacity ye-state uzobuilda i-capacity yomasipala ukuthi ba-implemente i-service delivery bayise ebantwini balethe intuthuko ebantwini ngepace ethe xaxa ukushesha umkhonto ubhilivela ekutheni akwandiswe amathuba i-capacity estate yenza ukuthi ke qasha komasipala uqasha abasebenzi abazosebenza ungalokhu unama vacancies amaningi because kunomsebenzi ekufanele ngabe yenziwa abantu lapha so if you create a state esifunctional into eyenzakalayo noma umasipala ofunctional uma ngizoyilokhuza ngokwelevel amasipala wenza umasipala ozohambisa ama services kubantu abantu babe ne trust in return kulo masipala abantu baqale bakhokhele ilokhuza ama services because kwesinye isikhathi contest esingayinaka uthola ukuthi kule kuthiwa hayi abantu abakhokhi kanti sometimes it's a vote of no confidence esuke itshengiswa noma i-petition ukukhononda kwabantu ukuthi indlela okwenziwa ngayo kuthiwa sikhokhele ugesi ohlezi usihambele kuthiwa asikhokhele amanzi amananqamuke nje siyazi ukuthi amanzi anqamuke ebusuku la sifuna ukuzoqeda yonke lo into ngoba siyazi ukuthi kunengqala sizinda ekhona yamanzi efakiwe kodwa kuba nezinqumo ezenziwa abantu ukuthi amanzi awahamba avala mbani ovala amanzi ngasikhathi esikuthi ibike itoliko kube ngathi it's a technical thing it is not a technical thing ngizokunekela into esimple ukutshengisa ukuthi into yokuvaleka kwamanzi nokubuya kwawo la empophomeni in particular nasendaweni ezakhela umngeni ezikeze okwenzekalayo kuyabathunywa abantu bomgungundlo abanovala bawavale baphinde bavule uyibona ngani lo into oligada malini uthi ahamba namanzi malini awahamba amanzi uwathola khona because ozowavala uyanetha usaba imvula angayi kovala amanzi yabo so leyo into leyo igcina itshengisa ukuthi ke manje ubuntu uhulumeni obusayo awunabe ebantwini sizobuyisa isithunzi somuntu nokuthi abantu ababe kahle umuntu umumlethela amanzi uyakhululeka ukuthi endlini yangasese uyakhululeka ukuthi adle uyakhululeka ukunakekela impilo yabo kunabantu abagulayo abangeke bahlale without water
usame kanjalo nje kulo stop wami engimisa kona ngikunika ngoba ngifuna ukuyivala lapha ku 5 minutes ngikunika ke u2 minutes ngiyayiqhatha ke manje yini engcono umkhonto wesizozoyenza compared to okwenziwa uChristopher Papas njengamanje uthi mawubuka uthi lokho thina sokwenza ngendlela ehlukile compared to umfana omhlophe manje ngiyaqhubeka ngiyakuvala ku 5 minutes yini engcono ezokwenziwa umkhonto kwi-leadership njengamanje umngeni uphethwe i-DA and uChristopher Papas yini nenizoyenza engcono noma nithi aqhubekene umfana uPapas
umkhonto uzoxhumana kangcono nabantu
yeah
umkhonto uzo-implement ama-programs akhulumisana nemfuno zabantu uzoletha ama-services kubantu angekho compromise angabheki ibali ukuthi endaweni eyike-Hilton kuhlala abantu abaningi abadla izambane likaPondo kuhlala abantu abamhlophe abaningi then bese khanjiswa iservice engcono ila iservice yobilethwa ngobuntu kuthiwa emphakathini yethu eke emalokishini eke emakhaya intuthuko yakhona kufanele ilethwe nangendlela ngokwe-quality elethwa ngayo nasemadolobheni leyo into leyo yenzela ukuthi masikhuluma ngokuphucula impilo zabantu asizenze sibe practical ibonakala ukuthi ukuphucuka kwempilo zabantu kuba khona 2 indlela yokurana umkhandlu kufanele umkhandlu uranwe ngendlela ezoba professional. Uma ngithi professional ningambuka ngiyengizwe kube nama praises akhume umeya Papasa. Mhlambe enye izinto ozokuthola ukuthi ubuye awurane as if dom yakhe noma into eyindawo yakhe nje engayona inkundla kahulumeni. Umeya akavunyelwe ukuhlala kuma interviews la qashwa khona abasebenzi. The only time la bevumeleka khona nabo makhansela ila qashwa khona i-senior management yomasipala. But siyazi sakuthola ukuthi ke umeya uyahlala nakuma interviews athi uya observe into angenayo, because into ayenzayo lapho it's an intimidation nokuzobheka lo into ikutshela ukuthi kushuthi cishe kunama instructions asuke wakhiphila afuna ukuzobheka ukuthi ay implementwa yini, ingakho efuna ukuba khona per se. So ke ilento esithi ke thina sizoqeda lokho siwumkhonto sifuna ukuthi umkhandlu urane ngendlela eprofessional, urane as an institution ezokwazi ukuthi isebenzise izimali zabantu ngendlela ezobihlonipha isidingo somuntu.
Phelile ngikunikezile njengamanje ngiyahamba siya ku 3 minutes wakho othi njengamanje la emngeni ngoba ngicathe ezinye zeindawo ezikhavayo la emngeni ithemba ngokhongolose kubantu abakhona nabasibukelayo ungathini kuwena ukukhankasa nali ithuba eludede khala kulona 5 minutes 3 minutes wakho uyaqala.
Yeah, ngo 3 minutes wami and 8 seconds.
Ayakuhleke lo 8 seconds wakhe ya.
No, look, asiqale lana eKhuba. Because the mistake engayenza ukuthi ibe defocused.
Okay.
Ibaleke irresponsibility nayo.
Alright.
One, I think and asihlomlile nangabo ombovu. Bayazihlomlile ngabo leni ngoba imkhobe kudala yaba khona kwa ANC. ANC manje yasanda adopta a selection criteria for councillors.
Okay.
And amongst other things, you'll remember even ama appointments. Now it states what are the requirements zakho ukuthi ube le council.
Okay.
Le ANC. The second thing is that it clear ukuthi process that must be followed.
Okay.
In most cases, ama candidate amanye ebevuka nje ililala leadership ivuke kusasa ingazange iye emphakathini. Ifika umuntu usuvuka usumbone esigcoteni.
Yes, biyenzeka.
Sike nabo kula 1 and 2 wabo nathi sibenefitile kula 1 and 2 wabo wase Ward 2 lapha eMsunduzi because babenza lento babekade beyijwayela ukuyenza la kwa ANC.
Oh, okay.
You see now alikho ikhansela le ANC elingahambanga zonke these due processes ozovuka li councillor candidate esigcobeni. It must go through all this, including having a minimum qualification. Umuntu ofanele abenayo. That's the first thing. The second thing is that the ANC njoba issue to fixing local government is beginning to take stock. There is something you'll remember by Babethi joke, the councillor call AIBZ that was assessing. In the region, was sitting down with each and every municipality to assess and say, present to us, what is it that we have done in the past years that we have been here? So that we can build if there's anything. Where there's nothing that has happened, then unfortunately it's going to be another issue that it requires the ANC. Okay. But most importantly is that a majority abantu be-ANC, which is why the ANC khuluma nge-renewal, the problem enkulu is sense of incumbency. Kunabantu abayitshela ukuthi bona bane-entitlement into leadership. And that's what the ANC now says, cut off this thing. That by virtue ukuthi ungusibani okanye ingane kasibani okanye uhamba nosibani, you have to be in the inner to be identified. So the ANC from time to time, because wonke umuntu uyazama indlela yokuthi manipulate ama system in the ANC, and the ANC has to be a step ahead.
Okay.
So I think that is to me a very critical issue. But most importantly, what a lot of things we have said was that all these departments that have got a role to play, we continuously invite them and say, there is a project that has not been finished, come and finish this particular project because the community has to benefit.
Wait, njengamanje ke kulokho uqeda ukukhuluma sengiyabuya ngiza la. Endaweni yasemngeni kunensizwa enguChristopher kaPapasa ephethe. Yiphi indlela noma into enzoba nayo kulo 2 minutes wakho nina enzoyenza ihlukile kunaye noma nithi mbuyisela yena ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ayohola lapha emngeni so isikhathi sakho siyaqala futhi manje.
You see Kuba into ngeke ngiyibuza ukuthi yini uPapasa yenzela abantu basemngeni. Maybe that should be the question.
Okay.
Let me tell you a simple case few steps from here la eMpophomeni.
Yeah.
The sports complex usifice sikhona sakhiwe siqediwe wasithatha wasenze sakhe wasithatha wasenze sakhe ama access roads akhona uwafice khona kwi pipeline wawathatha. The only thing that he has done very successfully is to privatize umngeni. Boy love Howick, love Hilton. That's all what he has done. The truth of the matter is that the crisis is alana emngeni. They go beyond. Kunabasebenzi abasemaplazini. Wa continually get wakwamuza uPapasa a single day lifting a finger about that situation. So the reality is that thina kufanele si acknowledge as the ANC with our own weaknesses. We thought ukuba kushiwo ukuthi power yadakana mhlambe ningixolele language. The truth of the matter is that we allowed certain things to happen in the name of the ANC, and that is where sidwebula in. Now even abantu batshela ngentuthuko, your attitude as an organization kubantu speaks volume. So abantu bazokuphanisha uma ngabe uthi ubenzele into ufuna ukuthi bakuworship simply because there is something you have done, and the ANC must continue to humble itself, and that is exactly what we have said, that we must do what people are asking us. We should not then demand recognition simply because we did what we were supposed to do.
Usuqedile.
Yabona manje ngikushiyela ama seconds ami ngifuna ukwagcina ukwenzela ukuthi umuthi yakuvale ngikwazi ukuthi ngibuyele kula ama seconds ngishiyo 8 seconds angisebe ngo 16 seconds
wethu njengamanje beside uxibhana ngifuna ukuyithola le ngoba yabo manje mayikhuluma uZ amanye amakhomanda nawe ayavuma nawe ndiyavumela nokunye uyagrazer uyavumela silindele yini ngelinye ilanga ngiyazi ukuthi akuyona indaba yenu le ninodwa kodwa ke ngenhlanhla mina ngitholeni na futhi ngiyajabula silindeleni kunibona ngelinye ilanga nisebenzisana ninobabili mhlawumbe umkhonto wesizwe neANC nikulindeleni ukuthi ngenze into enjalo u3 minutes wakho ukulindela ukubona iANC ngelinye ilanga nomkhonto bevumelana besebenzisana.
Umkhonto wesizwe uyiqembu elakubeka lathi lona lifuna ukusebenzisana nama progressive forces.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi ke sibonile nje umkhonto usebenzisana namaqembu ahlukahlukene. So ke kuyi stance and posture ekuthathayo lokho umkhonto, but for as long as inhloso ngqangi ifana ukuthi kuzokhulula impilo yomuntu omnyama izokwenziwa equality ukuthi ibe ngcono kuzokwazi ukubuyisela isithunzi sabantu nokubuyisela komhlaba kubantu. So izinto lezo umkhonto oziqhakambisayo kakhulu. So ke kusuke kuvulelekile umkhonto uvulelekile ukuthi ulentozana, but ama decisions afana nalawo are decisions athathwa at the level of high command.
Okay.
But also nayo kube nama consultations esuke iwenzile noma assessment ebuka izimo ukuthi ke iliphi iqembu esidecide ukusebenza nalo iliphi iqembu esidecide ukusebenza nalo kuama decisions e high command. Mina la I cannot decisively say kosetshenziswa naleli qembu noma ngeke kusetshenziswa naleli qembu. Komasipala kune dilemma emnandi ezokwenzeka by virtue ukuthi sizobe sicontesta yonke omasipala nje endaweni ehlukahlukene kuma provinces ahlukahlukene la emngeni for instance unamaqembu avesa khona. Now umkhonto kuwona osuyiqembu elikhulu la emngeni angithi uyabona. So ke therefore leyo into leyo isho ukuthi asikho arrogant ngalokho, but sisho ukuthi umkhonto ukhulumisana nenhliziyo zabantu, ukhulumisana nezifiso zabantu, ingakho uzokwenza izinto ezizophucula impilo yomuntu omnyama. Uyabona angikwenzela into esimple. Uyabo sithe sidila nento yama illegal foreign nationals kuyiwa kuma companies. UPapasa ubhale incwadi ethi abantu bomkhonto ababoshwe labantu abeza lapha. Uthi ababoshwe uvikela ama illegal foreign nationals. We are then saying no, asikwazi umkhonto ukintimidate wayilokho. Ingakho umkhonto through ama affiliates which is MK Labour Desk.
Okay.
Iqhubeka neprogram yayo yokudila nento yama illegal foreign nationals ngoba bathatha umsebenzi ekufanele ngabunikwa ama South Africans and bese kwenziwa ama South Africans alambe. By the way, okuyinto political on its own leyo because amabhunu enzizwe ukuthi libe unstable ngokuthi akandise unemployment kubantu base South Africa. So ke sithi ke ukubuyisa stability abantu base South Africa baqashwe banikwa amathuba bakwazi ukusebenza.
Ayinawo awashiya namhlanje secondary amba.
Mnika qede.
Oh yeah. So ke ekusebenzeni ke nje umkhondo uzobe uthi wona ukwi process yokuthi uzothatha ipower ucela abantu base South Africa bawuthembe ucela abantu la emngeni sicela abantu bale mngeni ukuthi bawuthembe umkhondo umkhondo uzokwazi ukubasebenzela sibonile ama programs amaningi ukuthi umkhondo into oyenzayo i very lokhuzana into strategic oyenzayo uyaconsulta nabantu
sekuphelile ke Mbovu siyabonga njengamanje lo bekade kuMbovu siyabuya sizala that silindele yini ukubona and wena imnandi ke ngoba ubulide lapha yaphezulu silindele yini ukunibona ngelindanga nisebenzisana ngoba ikhona izinto engazuthi niyavumelana ngazo manje ikhuluma la ngaphambili ulindele ukusebenza nomkhondo elindanga no ANC
mina bengithi uMbovu uzoyichaza lento we have got a pre-signed agreement now and I hope after next year after December 2027 or 2029 abazuyisebenzisa lento bayisebenzisa ukhumbula ngithe kuwena kuqala when we were in Cape Town we defended 6-7 vote of no confidence against JZ. One of them after the elections ka 2021 yayithi uma ngabe sizovumelana ne-EFF as the ANC we must first get rid of the president of the ANC and the president of the country. At that time the president of the ANC was JZ. The ANC stood fast and said, no ways, there is no sane organization engafuna ukuthi ithathe leyo decision. And we stood by as a matter of principle. Into esibangile ile ngayisho uMbovu post 2024 elections the ANC was willing to negotiate with anyone. The condition from the MK party was that as long as sizokhuluma ne-ANC ka Ramaphosa. You see? The same thing we defended Ramaphosa as the president of the ANC. Because there is no way a living organization, even them, we can't say, get rid of your president. You can't. You see? So I'm saying 2027, President Ramaphosa will live as the president of the ANC. 2029, President Ramaphosa will live as a president of the country. Ingane ke ze-ANC seziyobuyela kwa-ANC ngoba into eyazihambisa kwa-ANC izobe ingekho. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi what is new abazoyipresenta on the table. Uma sekuthiwa mama into enhleke even umholi wabo uyasho ukuthi uyi-ANC usalwela i-membership yakhe. All what is needed now ukuthi mhlawumbe bazobeka i-condition ethi first reinstate him and then they must give us a guarantee sixoxe kahle reinstate him i-membership yakhe and also all of us will follow him. So the reality is that the ANC ngeke kungasebenzi namuntu. It will work with anyone who is going. Let me correct into eyi-one Mbovu because siyayidistort i-revolution. Mbovu, the enemy of the revolution is anyone who stand in front of the National Democratic Revolution. And counter-revolution does not have a color. It doesn't mean that you are black and therefore you are revolutionary. Your face is not a determination of who you are. That is why in the Iapeli interview, I have not received anything that is an ideological rupture between the MK party, except, which is a long thing, I gave you a history from Holomisa post-1994 to COPE in 2009 to EFF in 2013, 2014. I'm saying I've not seen any ideological argument except ukuthi ngcono ngokuthi unosibani ba.
Sengingapha njengamanje Mbovu ngahambe mangakunika ithuba lokuthi ukuyiphendule leyo lokhuzana ye-ideology alokho eqale ngayo selokhu siyiqalile interview uyayifuna le lokhuzana ungakwazi usiphela uzethu ngo2 minutes nyamanje uyayifuna ukuthi awumpresentele ukuthi kubalelile kusuka lapha kumangaliso sobuko kwazi kwafika la i-ideology futhi uyavuma ukuthi niyabuya ngale yanto leya 2 minutes
no comrade Z kushuthi akayinakanga ngisho I must assume ukuthi kushuthi akathanda ukuzwa kahle the land ownership iyonto esithi umhlaba wabantu base South Africa awubuyele kubona abantu abamnyama kufanele bazibone bebenefita ekutheni kulokhuzo umhlaba.
Okay.
And bese kuba ukuthi ke umhlaba wala eSouth Africa nezimbiwa zawo ucontrolwe uownwe ama-South Africans through ilokhuzana a competent state.
Okay.
Now lezo zinto lezo ziyokwenza impilo ibe ngcono kuma-South Africans. Siyazi ukuthi ke kuningi la kwenziwa khona ongathi umkhonto muzowenza izinto ufuna siportraywe as if sabantu abamatatsa abamane benza izinto nje. But i-history yalo 2 years iyatshengisa ukuthi umkhonto unabantu abaholi abacapable abalidayo abenza izinto ngendlela, and izinto zethu sizenza procedurally which okuyinto etshengisayo. Thatha nje for instance from inception yomkhonto siqala sifakwe enkantolo siphuma singena izimpi zethu zenkantolo sizilwa khona enkantolo okutshengisa a sound organization. But uma ngabe uya kulento ye-ideology into ye-economy ukomlezi zethu kwakhuluma kahle ekhuluma ngento ye-RET waze wathi umkhonto ngokubuka i-posture yawo u-identifier as some aspect elements of i-RET ama-RET forces laba abakulela i-radical economic transformation. Umkhonto ulwela ukuthi kube noshintsho olubonakalayo ngokomnotho oluzobhenefithisa abantu abamnyama. That's ideological.
Wait. So ileyo ke yambovu for 2 minutes ngicela ungichazele ngoba sesiya ngaseGoldeni. After this uyona uyaphenduleka kulo 2 minutes ngicela ungiphendule.
Utho Mbovu, I hope you read the constitution your MK party. The first thing the MK party talks about the return of land to traditional leadership, not to the people. That's not the same. That is not the same. That is not the same. Secondly, ngikubuzile ukuthi in the history of the policy developments in the ANC, what is the debunk? Now you say we talk about land restitution, and it says we even changed it, by the way, in 2017. The principle ka willing buyer, ka willing seller, willing buyer. We talked about the principle of willing buyer, willing seller, to say there must be a will. We passed motions, maybe 3 in Parliament during the era 2014 to 2018. That policy still stands today. The retention of land, awukwazi ukuthi mawubuyisele umhlaba uthi mawubuyisele kubani. Umhlaba fanele ubuyisele kulabo that we dispossessed. Ngifuna mina uthi ke ideologically ANC ngenza example. ANC ithi umhlaba mawungabuyeli kubantu. Thina sithi umhlaba mawubuyele kubantu. There's no policy in the ANC ekhuluma ngokuthi umhlaba mawungabuyeli kubantu. There's no policy in the ANC. In fact, abona abantu ababelead discharge on the issue of land was the African National Congress when it wanted to ukuthi amendwe section 25. And I'll tell you the discussion about the issue of section 25. It was a language issue. It's not any other thing, but there was an agreement that there must be no compensation. It's an English word where no compensation means nil or means no competition at all. But that is zero competition. So that's why I need it. Where is the policy difference? And it cannot only be on land, by the way.
Umkhonto mangabe ukhuluma ngento iland is a vital part noma into ebaluleke kakhulu.
Yes.
Ekutheni kushintsha impilo zabantu. Into ebaluleke kakhulu ekutheni ngoba ixoxisana nomnotho. Uma ngabe you must have land ukwazi ukuthi ushintshe izimo zakho zibe ngcono. In fact ukuba nomhlaba kukunika amathuba ukuthi impilo yakho ingaba ngcono. Now ngiyayithanda comrades zethu uma ngabe ukhuluma because historically uma ngabe ukhuluma ngento yokubuyisela umhlaba emakhosini, amakhosi by the way umhlaba wabantu, amakhosi are just ilokhuzana ayalida enziwa ilento zanda custodians, kodwa umhlaba owabantu. So umkhonto mangabe uthi ufuna ukubuyisela umhlaba ebantwini, umhlaba wathathwa. Ihistory yethu la eSouth Africa yasitshela ukuthi umhlaba wethu was forcefully dispossessed, kwabulawa abantu ababenqaba. Sina bantu abafana nonkosi Bambatha na wonke amanye amakhosi ekwakuthathwa umhlaba phansi kwawo makubonakala ukuthi uyanqaba, ngoba hayi ukuthi babelwela bona ziqu zabo, but babelwela ukuthi umhlaba ubenefit abantu babo. Umhlaba asiboni lento eyenzakala manje ukuthi ke umhlaba usumana ubiziswe ngale ndlela, kwenziwe ukuthi abantu abaningi abahluphekayo nabantu abaningi abakwi working class bastrugglisha uku-afford. Then ugcina manje usuba nenkinga yokuthi ama-South Africans isimo sawo siloku siya singabi ngcono. So-ke umhlaba uyinto ebaluleke kakhulu. Then because it links to economy, bese ukhuluma ngento yama-factors of production ukuthi-ke abantu abamnyama aba-own ama-means of and factors of production. And leyo into leyo umkhonto uyisho uyihlonizisa uthi uzokwenza lokho ze kushintsheke impilo zabantu abamnyama kuze kushintsheke impilo zabantu abantulayo, because kufanele uzolenta. And we are not theorizing ngakho nje, nizokubona kwenzeka. Umkhonto usuqalile ungekho kwipower kulezi zinto ebengizisho, because uyabona njengoba ngisenisa as an example lento yokuthi kube nama programs athathela abantu ama drivers license ukushintsha impilo yomuntu omnyama ukuthi bengcono leyo. It talks to the economic aspects, ikhuluma ngayo ngoba lo muntu loyo exposer ekuthena akwazi ukuqasheka ngoba usenalo code.
Sengifuna uNkatholi phendula uyaphendeka. Sesiyabona.
Bonjour. A policy okanye ideology defines your attitude towards change or retention. Now, ufuna ukulungisa lento mina. When sikhuluma ngabantu, you know the kune judgment ngento yengonyama trust. I-judgment ithi umhlaba ubelonga kubantu hayi kumakhosi. Isho njalo i-judgment. So the retaining land to the people, the how part of it is important. It's very balulekile. Secondly, there is a case law yabakhatla bakhafela in the northwest where it the issue. So today community forums, ama CPAs, community property forums as authorities are recognized as the custodian of a land. You see? Now if your argument then is usuka iyenze sengathi is automatic ukuthi umhlaba umuya kubantu uya through amakhosi is not correct. Masiqale silungise lokho. The second thing, you are correct. The land is a basis. I agree with you 100%. But it question is the attitude towards the economy. Let me tell you, are you for socialism? Are you for capitalism? Are you for a mixed economy? You can't be found each and every time. We must say, let me tell you, we must say, because you are also confusing radical socio-economic transformation as a policy position and a group that identified itself as radical economic transformation forces, RET forces. That was a distortion of the police. So, in politics, in this day in South Africa, sinenkinga kuba yabantu aba anti-authority abafuna ukuphatha nje. Uma bengazuphatha kunalento ithi if the ship is not, if I'm not going to be the pilot of the ship, then rather the ship sink. Abantu take a evil jump. The reality here is that you've got then a situation abantu who could not accept the authority of another leadership that has come in, and therefore decided to have that rupture to say, as this group were going out. And it's not wrong if people feel like that. But we will continue, Tina, to say, let's then talk about the National Democratic Revolution. Us and them, I can tell you now, that's what I expected him to say. To say ours is the pursuance of the National Democratic Revolution through the Freedom Charter. If then about outside that, then it actually means there's an ideological difference between Tina and now.
Okay. Wethu ngicabanga ukuthi sikaze baphetheleni siyajabula kakhulu enye yama-debate okunye bese kungeqa kuyayisola nawe uyisola ukuze ngiyiqalela inhlelo ey'fana nalezi kulanda ama-crotman ngawabeka la eceleni njengamanje siyajabula kakhulu but-ke siyangasekukhathuleni-ke bafowethu njengamanje le ngiyazi ukuthi yanimkhatha nobabili ngingaqala ngawe uMbovu okade ekhuluma lokhu la yiziphi izinto obonayo ukuthi i-ANC ngeke isakwazi ukuzenza seziyodinga nina nje abantu abanikeze nina basuke baphele mhlambe i-ANC bajoyine nina yikuphi ongakusho wena
uyabona Qhawe umkhonto uzitshengisa ngokusobala ukuthi i-consultation uyayenza kubantu ingakho ubiza abantu on an ongoing basis even kuma programs okufanele bawenze bese abantu bepropose ama programs azokhulumisana nempi yokushintsha impilo zabantu kulungisa umuzi wogogo owasha miningi imizi yakhe kunobaba owalokhuzelwa washelwa ilokhuzana umuzi wayinetha lapha entabeni wakhelwa kahle umuzi wakhe ukubuyisa isithunzi kubantu sizokwenza ukuthi abantu bakithi babuyelwe isithunzi sabo ngokuthi kulethwe iservice kubantu of high quality ilo into ezokwenzeka now uyabona asizoba nesimo esikhona kumanje la uthola amakhansela kuyazi ukuthi ukhansela bani kodwa kwagcina nini ukuhlangana nabantu umkhonto uzoletha abaholi aba-comfortable ukuhlangana nabantu from time to time nokuthi bazoconsulta kubantu and ngiyithandile i-honesty ya comrades zethu mangabe ethi into ebuye yabalimaza ila sekunabaholi abazikhukumezayo sebezibona kuyibona ababaluleke kakhulu kunabantu now leyo into ke isifo obona ukuthi sisekhona kubaholi abakhona kuma njengakho bebe epower ize kwafika umfana uPapasi wafika wayithatha kodwa kumanje umkhonto uthi abantu ababe neconfidence netrust ukuthi umkhonto uzobenza bazizwe beyingxenye yahulumeni uzobe baconsulta from time to time uzoletha intuthuko efunwe abantu by the way ozobe uyiconsultele hayi intuthuko ezocatshangwa ama-officials ndawana thizeni la ihleli khona bese eyayiletha nje but intuthuko ezobe iconsultelwe ngabantu ingakho sagcina sine-rank ebihlale for years ingasetshenziswa because there was a lack of i-consultation yabona so umkhonto uzothi-ke no awuzoza kanjalo uzoconsulta abantu ngokuhlala kwabo nenhlalakahle yabo uzoconsulta abantu ngokusebenza nabo kodwa uzobasebenzela abantu truthfully i-corruption bese uyayishaya ungabi corrupt
okay enye-ke lo 1 minute usuyarepha uyabonga mhlambe nokuvalelisa kubanye kodwa futhi at the same time usitshele mhlambe ngezinye nje zezinto-ke ngoba phela awukwazi ukuba muhle ikuphi enikubonayo enikutshela abantu ababalandeli benu ukuthi niyakubona amaphutha awo imaphi amaphutha eniwavumayo omkhonto noma ni-right ngakho konke ngokubuka kwakho 1 minute wakho bese uyamrepela kubona
Kuba iqiniso lithi alikho isoka elingenasici amaphutha futhi ayenzeka ekuphileni ngekhathi abantu benza umsebenzi wabo umkhonto njenge-organization ebeseyintshe saqala o recruiter by the way yonke indawo comrades zethu sirecruiter yonke indawo sinabantu abasuka most of the people iqiniso lokuthi basuka ku-ANC abanye basuka ku-DA abanye basuka ko-EFF and many other organizations because i-appeal yomkhonto yenze ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi into iyona organization ongayithemba le so-ke as an organization umkhonto uletha lelo themba lelo kubantu uzosebenzisana nabantu akuzoba yinto ezoba nje ibukeka ile i-fiefdom yabantu abathize but izobe iyinto iyinhlangano esebenzisana nabantu esebenzela abantu ukukhulula abantu kubupha nasengqinambeni ezikhona ngisazi ukuthi bupho omunye umbuzo engukhohle
ukuvalelisa nokubonga ithuba kubantu abakubukayo abakubukile
no kuba asibonge ukuthi usiphelele ithuba siwumkhonto wesizwe la emngeni ngoba nami bengijutshiwe ngithunyiwe njengoba ngitshelile so ke sibonge kubaholi ababe ne-confidence ne-trust ukuthi umuntu uzokwazi ukurepresenta kahle umkhonto kule interview but two umuntu akabonge kakhulu kubantu bala eSouth Africa sibonge kubantu basemngeni ngokuthi bawuthembe umkhonto bawunika ithuba sithi ke siyancenca siya-aphila kubona ukuthi baqhubeke bawuthembe nabanye akade bewungabazi usa-initiate hayi abeze ngoba iyona nhlangano le ezokhulula abantu base-South Africa, iyona nhlangano elwisana ne-corruption le ubuqhophololo nje sithi abuphele buqedwe. Iyona nhlangano elwisana nokuthi kube khona amakhansela aseyinkinsela kade umuntu engenalutho ngoba nakho manje ubenefita kuma-programs kamasipala ngendlela engeyiyo noma abenefite ngendlela umkhonto usebenzile ukutshengisile ukuthi awunqeni uthatha iy'nqumo. Umkhonto ukhona kube nabaholi ekube nensolo abebhekene nazo emkhontweni bangena through ilokhuzana ama-disciplinary processes omkhonto, abanye umkhonto baxoshile. So ingoba the case in point was umuntu oke wamongameli ngaphambilini womkhonto uKhumalo. uKhumalo uthema ngabe sefuna ukwenza into zakhe ezihlukile kulezi ezifuna umkhonto. Umkhonto wabonda esesebenzisana nabakwaGogo ukubhuqa umkhonto. Umkhonto wagcina usumkhomba indlela ngoba uzokwenza izinto eziforeign, izinto umkhonto ungahambisani nazo. Lo into ikutshengisa ngokusobala ukuthi umkhonto uma ukwazi ukuthatha izinqumo ezinjalo kubantu abale phezulu. Sibonile koComrade Floyd nabanye. Uma uthatha izinqumo ezinjalo kumakhansela uzokwenza futhi.
Wethu lo bekade sinaye elinye lamalunga omkhonto wesizwe endaweni yaseMngeni, igama lakho ubongani, angazi noma ilifayini leli lasitanana lapha phakathi yake. Ubongani sitanana ngubani? Ufike hamba uphelezelwa amasosha akhe omkhonto amgadile nje la kwafana isangeni kahle abeka amasosha agadile. But siyabonga kakhulu bethu ithuba esikwazile ukuthi silithole size kwena ngala ecelweni ngasohlangothi. Siyabonga kakhulu bethu isikhathi sakho nje sonke lesi nisibekezele njengamanje siyahamba futhi siza la bekukade kuwukhomanda ungubane lo engikhuluma naye. Njengamanje ngiyahamba ngiya kuComrade Comrade UZ wethu ngasekugcineni unxenxa uthini uthi ngathini amazwi akho ushilo uthi abeze ngakubona ngathini amazwi akho kubani ukuthi abasuke kumkhonto bebuyele uthe kaGogo lapha la ukhona babuyele kaGogo athini kamazwi akho
yawugada lo 16 seconds one
qalela phansi ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi umgadile athini kamazwi akho.
No asenze kanjena lokho asenze kanjena as the ANC. One of the things that SHIL as an organization is that we need to renew the organization. And the renewal, it means ungenza izinto ngenzeka ubukade wasenza ngayo. Yephi umbomvu mezokhuluma lento ayikhulumayo ngoba amakhansela esinawo manje ka 2021. And the MK party ayingekho ngaleso sikhathi. Kungenzeka ukuthi ke kulana wabonayo amanye wrong. Mhlambe sobona nje kwenzeke enye. Two abantu bakwazi ukuthi uzozibona kodwa. Two move again ngilungise lento lokuza. I'm not sure ukuthi when you say you are fighting corruption, when you look at the people obalandelwa ngama cases, in fact the first thing eyenzakala, you can call it diplomacy, is to register organization and you know ukuthi yakho kodwa we register but somebody else. That on its own says a lot. But having said so, it is under the ANC. No matter what you say, and I wish Ngakesibuye sizoxoxa into yeZondo Commission, so that we can explain how the Zondo Commission came into effect. And no, wait, that's what I'm saying. Two, the layers of SARS, Charles Newton. Listen, we have that case. Let me tell you what's the disadvantage of the Madlanga Commission from me, not even for the ANC. We have had on many, and it didn't start in Madlanga, by the way. Go to many police stations, not today, to many police stations, uzuglahleka kwamadoket. Hambuye inkantolo today, uzukuthi bangaka abantu abakhalayo. Now, for me, angiyigxeki angiyisho ukuthi itheni, but I would have loved the Madlanga Commission not just to take high-level investigation. It must go deep down. It must be able to explain to a girl who's working there, ebony rapist, umuntu wamdlwengula, releasiwe a police station, releasiwe enkantolo, without them as a family betsheni. So I think we should not singayidlaleli game kwinto ye crime in this country. All of us, we have got a responsibility to fight crime, regardless, singayipoliticize. So my last issue is that South Africans must understand one thing. In you are saying let's take your word. There is no policy framework. The ANC inama-guidelines when we go to elections. Currently, the ANC has got a councillor candidate selection criteria. You can contribute in that candidate selection criteria. We will welcome your inputs because the ANC is an organization of the people, not of its members. That's why that's why ANC has a responsibility to lead, even when it is not in government. It's a duty, the ANC, to lead. So we want to say to abantu basemngeni, nabantu nje be-district yaseMoses Mabhida ngokwe-region ye-ANC, the ANC's renewal project is up in steam. And most of the things that we have realized was that, and it's not only us, by the way. Now you were the same thing when you were in the ANC. But the ANC, like, well, because of some members who thought they owned the ANC. And that is what we are rectifying now. Take the ANC back to the people. If we cancel a candidate, the ANC, a political interest. But Umphakathi is going to participate in the nomination of the councillor candidate. Thank you very much.
Siyabonga kakhulu amazwi akho okuvalelisa sakuvumela lapha isikhathi angathi namazwi
ave ngisiya isikhathi kushuthi no amazwi okuvalelisa ukuthi sibonge ithuba kuwena Khuba sibonge ne debate, give credit where it's due, it decency, because ukuvumelana is not always common, but the manner eniphiksana ngayo neningezwani ngayo is very important. So let's give credit where it's due. I think the way you handle it, uMbomvu Simncome, the way he has handled it, it was more organizational, because in most cases sihambisa ama emotions phambili. And where mhlambe ke kukhona, even for both of us as panelists, where kukhona ukuthi abantu bayabona ukuthi no ezinye izinto bekungafanele ukuthi sizisho kanye indlela esenze ngayo, sicela ukuxolisa, because it's very important that umphakathi ubone ubuholi bezepolitiki bungaboni abantu abangekwazi ukuhlonipha umphakathi, sikhulume nje noba kunjani. Ngeke ngithi mina ke sikubona ngebehavior yakho, hayi ngepolitiki yakho ukuthi uphume ekhayeni elinjani. So it's important ukuthi you recognize siyawenza amaphutha uma kukhona lana mhlawumbe kushiwo izinto angabangizizwanga kahle zikhulunywa kahle. It is simple because it debate as a politics is always like that. Thank you very much. Siyabonga ithuba nakubabukeli nabalaleli bakho.
Mfethu siyabonga kakhulu bafethu, lento ngicabanga ukuthi ke yasikhombisa even thina ke sihleli singabavoti esiqhamuke endaweni ezihlukene ukuthi niyakwazi ukuthi nihlale ndawonye ni-engage politically bese ke niyathatha umphakathi nobuyisela ihope. Kunina ngibona ubuholi ngempela kakhulu, i-debates enhle kakhulu. Ngicabanga nabantu abayibukayo uyikhethela wena la uthanda kakhulu ukuthi uthanda kakuphatha. Ngibonga nje irespect yenu bafowethu, ukufika kwenu nangesikhathi senu nabo bonke abantu abasibukelayo. Uma uzwile ukuthi sizokhuluma nawe la yona ekuthinta kasemlokhu usuyocikisa khona ku-X eceleni kwabo, ngoba hayi cha abavotelwa kulezi zinsuku kusazoshuba kule debate. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Siyatholakala from TikTok ibanathi Mpungose page engicabanga ukuthi verified 1.something million. Siyabonga Mpungose page nakhona futhi ngokunjalo ungasithola kuzo zonke indawo. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Ni share abantu abasha, because le platform siyilethele nina ukunivezela ukuthi niyakwazi ukuphuma kuma political parties angafani kodwa nihlale endaweni eyodwa. Uma nini nizobaphakela ama-chips badle ndawonye ngiyabonga kakhulu babukeli bakhasi. Ngiyabonga nakwithimba angikwazi ukungabongi kwithimba enisebenzisana nalo kakhulu bafethu okugcina lo msebenzi omuhle kangaka. Siyabonga uMpowasakile la kanye naye uThemba lethu wakwaNdlovu. Siyabonga bafethu team yami ke la enzima kakhulu yenza show ukuthi siphakela abantu into ebonakalayo. Ngiyabonga bafethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu Commander Comrade.
Bonga na ku-reinforcement kabuhlungu.
abaphuzanga ziqubula abazama baqula
Sambe sihle sakile sefoni.